Did you know some people can hear a sound their neighbors cannot detect at all? Curious cat investigators followed reports from Taos in New Mexico, Bristol in England, and Windsor in Ontario. Residents described a persistent low-frequency hum, sleeplessness, headaches, severe distress. Yet people standing nearby heard nothing. Here is what investigators found. Human hearing is not identical from person to person. Some people are genuinely more sensitive to low-frequency sound and vibration than others. In Windsor, industrial activity near Zug Island was identified as a likely contributor. The hum was real, just not everyone's ears were built to find it.